Stretching your food budget doesn't have to mean eating less or sacrificing nutrition. It's really about being super intentional with the ingredients that you choose and how you choose to use them. One of the best places to start is by cooking from scratch and buying in bulk. These two things will totally change the way that you operate in your kitchen for the better. When you buy food that's already prepared or processed, not only is it of lesser quality, but you're also paying quite a bit extra for convenience. A great example of this is buying a whole chicken instead of individual cuts. A whole chicken is almost always cheaper per pound, and when you break it down yourself, you get multiple meals plus the bones to make broth, which adds so much more value and lets absolutely nothing go to waste. Another foundational habit is incorporating more beans into your regular meals. Beans are one of the most nutrient-dense and affordable foods that you can buy. They're high in protein and fiber, they're filling, and one bag can stretch into several meals. They're also incredibly versatile and work well in soups, stews, salads, casseroles, dips, and more. Alongside beans, rice is another staple that can help your food go a long way. Rice is inexpensive, it stores well, and it can turn a small meal into a hearty and satisfying one. Rice and beans together even make a complete protein, so they're not just budget friendly, they're nutritionally balanced. Learning how to make staple items from scratch, simple things like sourdough bread and tortillas, are not only going to be so much better for your health, but doing so will save you so much money. Buying in bulk will also save you a significant amount of money over time. Staple items like flour, sugar, rice, oats, beans, pasta, and even spices are always cheaper when purchased in larger quantities. If buying in bulk feels overwhelming or like it's too much all at once, consider splitting purchases with a friend or family member. Stretch your meals by always repurposing leftovers and letting nothing go to waste. If you roast a chicken, then use the leftovers to make a soup. Soup is another great way to stretch your food budget. Soup will feed a lot of people. It's very filling and hearty. It's warm. It's great for the winter. We always have soup multiple times a week in the winter to stretch our food dollars. If you cook a big pot of something, always freeze portions for later. Always save vegetable scraps to make broth. Stocking up on things when they're on sale is another great way to build a deep pantry on a tight budget. Learning food preservation techniques is another worthwhile endeavor that allows you to preserve perishable items when they're deeply discounted. These small habits add up quickly and they allow you to cook nourishing, filling, delicious meals without overspending. It's not about cutting corners, it's about getting the most value out of what you have, letting nothing go to waste, and being as self-reliant as we possibly can during these turbulent and unstable times. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.